Hi everybody, Ben here from Cayzu Help Desk. In this quick video, we're going to learn about the ticket screen. Okay, so one of the most important functions in the help desk is answering your customers or your users. So we're going to come in here and we're going to help Johnny test with his printer. Okay, so what we'll notice right away is all the thread or all the correspondence between you and this customer or user, right, Johnny, will be all on the left side here. What we will also notice is that all the ticket settings, criteria, right, the questions where we've put in the forms will be on the right. Mine's a little bit longer because I've customized this, okay? Now, answering Johnny would just be simply clicking like this. This is my reply, okay? Now, something we can also consider is using a canned answer or a macro, right? Or a canned answer. We call them quick responses. So because I'm helping him with his printer here, I can just type in printer and I can see that I've already created an article about this. Okay, so that kind of saves me a lot of time. Now, if you don't have a knowledge base or want to start building one, you can also start using tickets to create knowledge, right? So if you have some common question and answer, you can start creating it that way as well. Now, the thread here will be as soon as we click send. So if we want to update the ticket, we can just click send. We can also use the multifunction menu, right? So if we're pretty sure this is going to solve the issue, we could, for example, click set and send and set as resolved. I'm sorry, and that would then resolve that ticket. Okay. Now, keep in mind that you don't need to put in, thanks, Ben, because that signature will be appended from your personal signature under settings. Okay. Now, some other things we can do here. Not only can we reply back to the customer or the user, Johnny, right? We can also either keep private notes or we can use the send to include other agents, right? So if I need help from Anton and Steve about this printer issue, I could write, I need some help with this, right? Now, both Anton and Steve are agents. They would both receive an email as well as when they logged in, they would see a little green private reply icon. So this indicates that they need that ticket needs your attention or their attention rather, okay, from you. Now, this would also be threaded and timestamped within the ticket, okay? This would never be visible to your user, okay? So it would never go to your user, nor would it ever be accessible to your end user portal if you allow that, okay? Now, what you'll see here is it looks like there is a typo in its subject, right? Issues with my printer too. I could just click here, click exit and then just click out, okay? And that would automatically save. Now, Cayzu will also give you access to the user's information. Okay, so I'm accessing their contact card. If there is an association to the company, that will also be displayed. If you do want to go to the full contact card, you can just hover over here, click view profile, and then from here, this would pull up the contact card, right? So this can also be customized. Okay, we can also view all their past requests. Okay. Now, what else can we do? There's also an action menu here. So keep in mind, you can merge tickets, right? You can also add time manually or via a timer, okay? Now, opposite of merge, if you come down the ticket here, we'll see here that I have a new problem with my phone, okay? So during our conversation about a printer, he's added a phone issue. We could easily split this ticket, right? So issues with my phone. And what this does when we click save, it will automatically send that user, which is Johnny, right, an email telling him about the new ticket number, okay? From there, as humans, we will naturally start responding. Now, let's say that we do need to get Johnny a printer, and let's say we bought it from Dell. We can click the include the third party, and let's say that we're going to include our Dell rep. Now, this does not require a license, okay? But it also allows them to only interface with the agent, right? So I need a new printer, please send ASAP, right? Now, your Dell rep would get an email, which they can then respond to, okay? Responding will come back as an internal note. That means that that third party can't interface with your user at all, okay? They can only interface with the agent, which then makes it private, okay? Now, we've showed you kind of how to send an updated ticket. So let's say that we just come into any ticket here. Okay, so I'm gonna go need some help with my BlackBerry, right? So let's say that we don't want to do anything yet, but change the group, for example. We could easily just select the group here. Let's say that we wanted to put this to pending development. Okay, we can just switch that as well, right? Again, to reply, we click reply, and then we can just simply click send, which will then automatically put that to pending customer, right? So that means that the system knows that we're now waiting on your customer's response. Or again, you can select this, okay? Any other questions, please let us know.